What's going on, everybody? All is well. So, yesterday, Nvidia reported earnings, and of course, they beat on expectation, and the stock is rising. Currently is up about 4%, sitting at 194, and this is going to be the catalyst that's going to drive the total stock market higher. On today, the SPY is up about 1%. So leading up to earnings, the market has been pulling back a tad bit. So now it looks like it's getting ready to run right back up. Now it could be just a quick pop and fade because everybody in the stock market was anticipating Nvidia to beat on earnings, and the market's going to run back right back up. Now it might run back up temporarily and then pull back. Who knows? So right now it's just like let's just wait and see. So right now the market is at 674. Let's see where did it fell from. So it came down around 687. Yeah, 52-week high is 689. A lot of people predicting that it's going to hit 700 by the end of the year. We'll see, you know. But yeah, the market is running back up off of the strength of Nvidia's earnings. And you know what's also been down? Meta. Meta has been down about 20% from its all-time highs. Yeah, 52-week high is 796. 6 months out is down 5%. A month out is down 17%. So right now it's at 602. And, I always said this, that Meta ultimately, long term, is going to be $1,000 play. So getting it anywhere below 500, 600, low 600, definitely in the 500 range. It's a good entry point in my opinion. Of course, this is not financial advice. It's just me giving my opinion. But yeah, long term, Meta is a winner all day. All right. But you know who has been running up recently? Google. Let's look at it. Google for the past year is up 71%. Google. And you look at the chart for most of the year, it's just been lagging. It's just been, it's just been chilling. It's just been chilling, and then they announced they're working on Gemini 3. Then they got news came out that Berkshire Hathaway, that's Warren Buffett company, is investing, has bought shares of Google, and Google just surged tremendously. I mean, what a climb for this year. And I had shares of Google. I bought it up when it was like in the, like, I want to say mid 100s, like the 155, 150 area. I ran it up, took profits. I ran up to like 200. Yeah, 200, took profits and went about my day. Now looking back, it's like, damn, I should have just held it some more. I should have held it. I should have held it longer. The same thing applied with AMD. AMD is another stock I was buying up when it was when it's down low. Then it ran up. Did the responsible thing, took some profits. But now you're looking at it and it's like, damn, I should have held it. But yeah, in my opinion, that was comes along with investing. It's like, even though you do the right thing, you bought low, that particular stock ran up, you took profits, you sold it, went about your day, and then you're looking at it now. It's like, man, I should have held it. Either you should have held it longer, or you should have bought more shares of it when it was down low. But that just comes along with investing, man. But yeah, it is what it is. All right. One last thing. Let's look at the fear and greed index. Right now, we're still in extreme fear territory. So the market is still down, and now, in my opinion, a good time to buy is when you're in extreme fear territory. Most people will wait till the market runs up, and when the market runs up, it's gonna be in over here in greed and extreme greed, and then they're looking to buy. Extreme fear territory is where you really want to be looking to acquire quality companies at a discounted price. You don't want to wait for, like, let's say Meta, that's it's down right now. You don't want to wait till Meta, when it's always sitting up here at 751, then you jumping in buying shares of it when right now it's sitting at 602. You know what I'm saying? Or let's look at Nvidia. It's right now sitting at 193, but then when it runs up to like, huh, when it's up to like 206, then you start acquiring shares. When it's below 200, dollar cost average into it. Long term, Nvidia is a winner all day long. One of the best companies out there. Can't go wrong with Nvidia in my opinion. But yeah, when the stock is quality, when you see a quality company that's low, that's the time to buy it. Dollar cost average into it. So when it runs up, you will watch your money grow. Like, going back to Google. Look at Google. It was sitting for the most part, first half of the year, pretty much. It was sitting in the mid 100s. Now it's at 304. That stock that just ran up, and most people should have been buying it right here. 150, 160 range. Now it's ran up significantly. But like everything else, there will be a pullback, of course. Google will pull back eventually. But yeah, that's pretty much all I want to cover today. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching. And until next time, you guys be safe and enjoy the rest of your day. All right? Peace.